In this lesson, we are going to deploy project on vercel. We already created vercel account to create Postgres database. So it's time to connect GitHub repository of this project to vercel and deploy it on vercel. Before deploying your project, you need to make sure that there is no error on building project. To test it, in a new terminal, run npm run build command and check the result. If everything is okay, you will get this message. Otherwise, you will get error in linting and checking validity of types. If you have such an error, you need to fix them first. Next step is committing. Put a message if you have any uncommitted changes. And after commit, sync changes to push your code on GitHub. Let's go for next step. Go to vercel.com, click add new project. You will be redirected to this page. You need to connect to GitHub repository. If you're not connected already, you will get a button to connect. Just click on it and follow the instruction to connect your GitHub repository to vercel. Then you will have list of all repository right here. Select the one that we are working on this project. It's NextPG Shadcn and e-commerce. Click on import and go to config project page. Set the project name. I'm using NextPG Shadcn and e-commerce. You can add anything at the end to make it unique for your deploy. The framework is Next.js. And what we're gonna edit is environment variable. Go to VS Code, open .env.local, select all and copy. Come here, select first input and paste. Automatically, all variables will be added to this table. So we have Postgres URL like this. Click on deploy and it starts deploying your project on vercel. It takes a while to build the project, creating production build, linting and checking validity of types, and generating static pages. Awesome, it's done and will be redirected to another page. Congratulations page. So we successfully deployed our project and here is preview of project. Just click on it and there we are. We have list of products, right, coming from the Postgres database on vercel. Great. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, we work on creating product details page and continue building this fully functional e-commerce website. Until next lesson, bye-bye.